This is an update to a video I did the other day on chicken and dumplings made by Marvin the robot. A lot of people probably didn't get the reference to what I was doing in the video because Marvin the depressed robot was from one of the greatest books ever written in the last, I don't know, last 30 or 40 years. It's Hithhiker's Guide to the Galaxy is where that character came from. Wonderful book. And I actually got to meet the author when he was at the Miami Book Fair. Adams, Mr. Adams. What's his first name? Gosh. My mind just went blank. But anyway, what I'm making this video is about is I was kind of making fun in the video, and I don't think people took the video and what I was making very seriously. And that's a shame because this chicken and dumpling made in this little tiny pressure cooker is so incredibly tasty and easy to make. It does take a little longer than some of the 3-minute stuff I make because I'm lazy and in a hurry, but I just don't know how you can get much more flavorful. You could probably use chicken drumstick or something with bones in it to get more flavor out of the chicken bones, but just the ingredients I had in that video, this gives an extraordinarily tasty, inexpensive, fairly quick meal. Douglas Adams, I knew I'd remember eventually. Great guy. He passed away way too early. If you've never read the wonderful book, Hithhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, I recommend it highly. Even though it's science fiction, it's very funny. And very well written. And my favorite character is probably Marvin the robot. So, update to the chicken and dumpling video. I don't think I gave it enough respect, because this is a super extraordinarily tasty, inexpensive, easy to make meal that anybody can make. Alright guys, take care. See you out there.